All right, so the big question, would I buy the OM3? Well, hey there photo friends, welcome to Luminous-Landscape photography. 3 decades of wisdom, 1 YouTube video at a time. I'm Swindy, and today we're going to be talking about the stunning OM System OM3. I got one right here. This beauty merges vintage charm with bleeding edge technology, paying homage to the legendary Olympus OM1 from 1972. But don't let that retro styling fool you. We're talking about 20.37 megapixel stacked back illuminated live MOS sensor with a mind-blowing 50 frames per second continuous shooting with autofocus, auto exposure tracking. It's pretty awesome. Now, the focus system packs 1053 cross-type phase detection points powered by their latest AI algorithms. What's also cool is video shooters will like this. You're getting 10-bit 4K video at 60p plus internal ProRes RAW recording. Oh, I need to mention it's got a very cool feature, an 80 megapixel high-res shot mode for those detail-hungry landscape photographers. You just need a tripod. All right, OM System, thank you for letting us play with this beauty. The body comes in at $1,999 or $2,299 with a sharp 12 to 45 f4 lens. All right, so the big question, would I buy the OM3? Well, it depends. If you're already invested in Micro Four Thirds glass, absolutely. If you're on a budget but want maximum versatility, both with still photography and video, it's really worth considering. Coming from medium format like myself, you'll need to adjust your expectations, but you'll be pleasantly surprised at what it can do. That high-res up-resing is really impressive. Now, real talk. Is it perfect? No. The JPEG engine needs some tweaking to avoid that cute camera, toy camera look. And the low light performance, well, you kind of have to whip it into shape to get what you want so it doesn't get too noisy. And you have to frame right. But here's where it's special. In a world where we often get too serious about gear, shooting with something fun counts for something. It's compact, it really feels good in the hand, and it's kind of like that friend who always shows up for an adventure. Sure, they may not be perfect at everything, but they're game to try, and that's fun. I would say this is a fun camera. So I want to say thank you to OM System for letting us review this camera. All right, confession. I lost the lens cap.
How can you do this to me?
I searched everywhere. I retraced my steps. I went out, it popped off. I have no idea where it is. But I've got an old Olympus lens cap right here. I'm just gonna slip it on and see if OM3 says anything. If they do, that'd be kind of funny to be like, wait, what do you mean? Wait, you guys aren't Olympus anymore? Anyway, I probably will have to reimburse them for a new lens cap. All right, I'm Swindy, saying stay luminous, stay bright, find that perfect light. Take care, y'all.